Hi, today I have one more true wireless stylish headphones, and I will show you how to manage ANC from app and using our headphones. Let's get started. So firstly we have to remove our headphones from our case, just like that. Now they're connecting to our phone. So as we can see, there are listening modes, and this is only ANC. We can choose pass-through, so that we can hear with help of microphone. We can choose mild and strong. We can do the same just by using and clicking like this. If we have them in our ear, we can just double click on our touch panel. As you can see, it's mild now. As you can see, it's pass through now, and it's now off. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more these types of videos. Goodbye.